tingin ng particle that starts from point practice now 6. The displacement. Teka, saan ba tayo huling nag-stop? 5 or 6?
5 mo.
Okay, so tingnan natin yung 5.
Okay.
So 2t
5 nag-stop.
minus t squared plus 4/3 t cube plus a constant. Okay, so s is 2t minus t squared plus 4/3 t cube. Distance traveled is 33. Total distance okay, no turning points, or v is positive definite. Tapos yung okay, so diretso lang. So 0 to okay, so 264. Ngayon, pwede tayo practice now 6.
Milabo. Ayun.
So 2t minus 24 cosine 1/2 t plus a constant. Ano yung nakuha mong constant? Ano yung condition? The displacement moves in a straight line given by, ayan, where t is the time in seconds after leaving O. So when t equals 0,
S equals 0 po. Kasi leaving O pa lang po eh.
Oo nga, s is equal to 0 kung ganon. Ngayon, substitute mo nga yan sa s. So when t equals 0, sige, substitute mo sa expression mo for s. So 2 times 0, so 0 yon, minus 24 cosine of 0. So dapat c equals 24. Tapos, kailan ma-attain yung tapos ang tinatanong, no? So, the displacement of the particle when t is equal to okay, ano yung displacement of the particle when t equals pi over 3? Nasaan yun? T equals pi over 3. S is
wait lang po. Medyo magulo. Dapat ito po yung S eh. So,
okay. Substitute mo dun sa expression.
wait lang.
Actually, kung ano, tingin ko hindi mo, kailangan mong yan yun eh, substitute eh. Kasi kung kalimbawa, sinubstitute mo yan dun sa expression mo, yung pi over 3, lalabas na hindi mo makukuha yung 5.31. So gamitin mo yung calculator mo. So 2 times pi over 3 minus 24. Just to check. Talaga bang lalabas yan for that? At make sure naka-radian mode ka. Kasi pag naka-degree mode, papalya din yan eh.
Gano'ng karami po yung estimate niyo po nag-fail dahil sa calculator naka-radian?
Pinutin mo yun. Battery.
Hindi pa. Saan yung battery?
Ano yan eh? Alam mo yung mga exams na ginagawa na sa physics dati?
Lalabas po, 5.31 meters din po pala.
Oo. Ngayon, tingnan mo, pag c equals 0, plug in mo yung yung pi over 3.
Negative 18 point something yata po.
Kaya, gawin ko yung substitution. Teka, palit muna akong radian mode. So, 2 times pi over 3 over 3 minus 24 times cosine of pi over 6. Ang lalabas ay negative 18.6.
7 po.
No. Okay, rounded off, yeah. It's going to be negative 18.7. So ano yan eh? Kung pinlug in mo yung values, makikita mo na hindi mo match eh. So importante na calculate it yourself. Instead of yung okay, pakilang mo, pag sinubstitute to, dapat ito lumabas.
5 point.
Okay. Ngayon, tingnan natin yung part 2. Ang next na question ay...
Sir, may solve po. Sir?
Ano yan?
After ng 6 o'clock po, busy, meron po kayo, meron po kayong gagawin?
Meron eh. Kasi
meron.
Yung tutorials ko kasi magkakasunod eh for Thursday. And so hindi ko pwede mag-overstay din.
Okay po.
Sige. So let's look at yung sa part 2, the time at which the particle first attains the speed of 8. So, okay. So T equals pi over 3. Okay. Ngayon, yung sa part 3 nasaan?
Part 3. Wait lang.
Okay. Ngayon, miraculous yan. How do I know na yan nga? Bakit ako maniniwala sa number na yan?
Sa calculator mo.
Hindi. May expression ba tayo for acceleration dyan?
Abo.
Yun. Sige. So, okay, sige. Okay na. So, 5.27 meters per second squared. Okay. Now, let's go to number 7. So, yung part 1, the acceleration when t equals 2. Ngayon, if we get the derivative, acceleration is 25 e to the minus t. So when t equals 2, okay, 3.838 meters per second square. Ngayon, part 2, s equals 10 minus 25 e to the minus t dt. So 10t plus 25 e to the minus t plus a constant. And then when t equals 0, teka.
When t equals 0 is
First,
Therefore, z
Okay.
equals 0.
Hmm. Hmm. Teka. 10t plus 25 e to the minus t. So when t equals 0, s is equal to 0. Ano yung constant?
S equal to 0.
Okay, so it should be negative 25. Tapos, the first 3 seconds, no? Okay. Ngayon, during the
Okay.
first 3 seconds ba, nagkaroon ng reversal, ng time reversals?
Aba.
Okay. Sorry. Ano yung signs ng velocity? From, for example, between 0 and ln of 5, ln of negative ln of 2/5. In what direction is the particle going?
Negative. L.
Gawa ka na, ano? Gawa ka ng diagram for velocity, yung table of signs for velocity. Tapos ang kailangan lang natin yung region na ano na between t is 0 and t is, kasi ang kailangan natin between 0 to 3, di ba?
Let this be alpha para hindi ko nasulat.
Teka, what's negative ln of 2/5? Paki-calculate. Anong value yan?
Parang 0.916 po.
Okay. So, yung times mo, lagay mo rin kasi isulat mo yung approximate value somewhere. So wag kang magtipid sa sa space. Gawa ka ng extra page after that. Para lang
Nasaan yung 5? Ayan.
kasi so ang alpha is approximately what? So ln of 5/2, no? That's going to be 0.916. So, yung signs ng velocity will be hindi, sige. Ganito. Magbukas ka ng Desmos. I-graph mo yung v equals 5 times 2 minus 5e to the minus t.
Oh, wait. When negative is 0. Yes. Pareho rin. Okay.
Okay, hindi define yung function natin for t less than 0 eh. So, hanggang 0 lang dapat yan. Teka, sige, go to Desmos. Tapos,
Why did it
10
randomly
minus 20.
Why did it randomly create a graph?
Mukhang may nakasave ka na dyan eh.
Tama.
So, 5 times to minus x.
Okay, ba't naka-pi? Crazy.
Hindi, tama yan. Kasi, actually, we're investigating din yan eh. E to the minus x, di ba? So, as x approaches 0, so e to the minus 1 over
Okay, cool. And then when it's about 3, where's about 3?
Teka, pwedeng gawa ka ng check mo yung wrench.
Wrench. Where's the wrench? Wrench. Ito po.
Oo. Tapos tingnan mo yung ginagamit na boundaries.
Boundaries.
So x runs from gawin mong, let's say, negative 1. Para lang may up to 5. Tapos yung step, palitan mo yung step. 1. Or kung gusto mo mas maliit, pwedeng adjust yan. Let's say 0.5.
Nice.
Ayun. Tapos yung y, yung lowest possible value when x is 0, v is 2 minus 5 is, and then sige, tingnan mo, when isulat mo y equals 5 minus para ma-have natin kung ano yung value sa yung intersection, yung value when x equals 0. So 2 minus 5 should be negative 3. So dapat negative 15.
Wala na po. Ayun.
Okay, so hindi, mas mababa pa. Negative 20. Ayan. Gawin mo, yung interest natin kasi hanggang 3 point, kasi okay na yan. Tapos yung sa y, yung so negative 15, gusto nating makita yung yung x yung kailangan mo i-adjust. Hanggang, instead of negative 1 to 5, let's say hanggang 4 lang. Tapos yung y, kailangan makita natin nasa taas. So, dapat mas mataas yung top value. So, gawin natin 10. Yan. Kasi ang kailangan natin yung
3.
Makita kung ano yung values from 0 to 3. Okay na yan. Ngayon, tingnan mo yung values ng so itong function na to, that's the velocity. Velocity 0 at 0.91 something, negative 15. So dapat yung signs, so positive. Ngayon, based on those signs, what is the particle doing? Pag negative yung sign, in what direction is the particle moving?
So, wait a minute mo. So, okay, wait. So, 0 seconds, it is reversing, and then, what happened? What happened? Reversing po siya hanggang 0.916, and then, forward, but then, palit ng, konti ng konti, velocity.
Hindi siya lumiliit. Continuing na nag-i-increase yung velocity.
Pero less po. Less yung pag-increase.
Oo. Ano yan eh? Ano yung maximum, ano yung largest may upper bound kasi yung velocity dyan eh. All velocities will be less than so
10.
as x approaches infinity.
Okay, wait. So if x increases, so this one will be negative infinity.
So
this
magzi-zero
5 over
yan.
something, 0. 10 po.
Oo. So everything, lahat ng velocities will be less than 10. So, bumibilis, pero yung rate ng pagbilis or yung acceleration, lumiliit. Okay, so may reversal and then going forward. Ngayon, alam mo na yung signs. How can you compute the distance traveled? Saan nagsimula? Anong posisyon?
Dito po. Tama nga po yung anak pala. Tama. Okay, so this is something. Ano yung desmos? Yan.
Parang may mali. 8.75 yung final position, di ba? May kulang. Ano yung length, di ba, from 0 to alpha, may ang tinravel distance 5.83.
30 plus 30.
Ngayon, yung pabalik, ano yung total distance at tinravel going to 8.75? Look at your diagram. 6 point. Okay. So 6.24 yan.
May extra pa.
So ano yung extra?
Ito. I'm so sobra pong lutang. Okay. 7.9.
Okay. So, parang may part, bakit ka? Parang may part, practice ng 7 yan, no? Sige, iba titingnan ko. So, 7.9. Okay, yung sa practice now 8.
Okay, extra page.
Okay, so 40 minus 16. Yung integral So 2t squared minus 16t plus a constant. Ngayon, ano yung constant? So c equals 30. Ayan. Next, yung sa part 2, ganito. Yung sa part 2, i-factor mo yung ano, yung v.
No! Factoring. There must be a simpler way to express this.
Hindi, at saka ano yan useful yun kasi kakailangan natin na gagamit din tayo ng table of signs Kasi kailangan nating malaman yung signs if we want to know kung in what direction the particle is moving. So, yun, t. Instead of x, that's t. 2 times t minus 3.
And now that I realize po t is just sideways x.
Okay. So, yan yung sa part 2, no? And then, okay, I think dyan obvious na when t equals 3, from the factored form, v equals 0. Okay, part 3. The displacement of the particle when t equals 3 is
Okay, there. Yan na po. Fixed.
so when s is equal to 0, okay, yung constant is going to be 0. And then, okay, so s is equal to 36. Part 4, same. Teka. Ano yung total distance traveled in the first 3 seconds?
Total distance traveled in the first 3 seconds. Okay, wait. So, wait. Total displacement po dapat. Hindi. Distance pa. Yes.
Mm-mm.
Distance. Hindi pala nakasunod dito sa 9. Wait. Hindi pala. Dito sa next page. There. Yun na po.
Teka,
Funny
practice now 8.
because we don't really need the we don't really need the 5.
Oo nga. Pero, so, tapos yung the third distance traveled during the 3rd second is okay. Yung table of signs natin dito, bakit ano yung para saan yung yung drawing mo on the left?
Baka nga wala nga po siyang use eh. Now that I realize, hanggang 3 lang po naman ni seconds. Tapos yun sa next na question, hanggang 2 na naman din kailangan. So, hindi mo kailangan to.
Oo. Sige.
No reversals naman po pala. Sabihin.
Okay, so punta na tayo sa 16B1. Find an expression for the displacement. So t cubed plus t squared plus... Teka, ano yung last plus t plus a constant? Okay. T equals 0, so s equals 0, so c equals 0. Tapos, part 2, the distance of the particle from O 71 and 2/3. Okay, sige. Yung 16B2, patingin. Hanggang saan ka umabot dito? 16B.
Yung sa nakasulat ko, umabot na dito sa notebook. Umabot na po ako ng 10 sa review exercises. Tapos na po ako. Pero hindi pa nasulat ni Mato. Pero mabilis na naman din.
Sige. Okay, tuloy na natin to. So, 16B2. So, that's a constant. Velocity when t equals 3. Okay, so 16 cm per second. Distance is t plus 4 t cubed plus t squared over 2 plus 4t plus a constant. Tapos when c equals 0, when t equals 0, s equals 0. So, and then plug in. So 25.5. Okay. So, punta tayo sa number 3.
Number 3. The tree of life. Tree of life. Okay.
So, 6. Ano oras ba? Set ngayon. 16B 3. So, V equals 10 plus 26t minus 3t square. So, acceleration is okay. Tapos, maximum value of B. So, 26. Yeah, calculate lang. Tapos, T equals
Ay, nagpas yung share. Ayan, resuming share.
teka ha. So, 10 plus 96 times 13 divided by 3 minus 13 divided by 3 square. That's going to be 9.
Bakit po pala yung mga iba pong tao, ganito po sila magsulat ng 7?
Wala, kung yun yung tinuro.
So, see. Eh, yung mga Romans po, 7, ganun naman po ng na-adapt na yung Hindu-Arabic system.
Teka, so,
Distance when t equals,
teka,
okay. Displacement?
Wait, 10 plus 26t minus 3t square. Teka, gusto kong i-verify lang to. Plus 26 times 13 divided by 2 minus 3.
Dapat the integral pala po muna. Okay. Wait. Kailangan po i-screenshot mo. Okay, bye-bye.
So, 66 and 1/3.
S equals the integral. Yun po.
Anong units ng velocity dito?
Is it better to call it po antiderivative or integral?
I think it doesn't really matter. Basta naintindihan lang ng kausap mo yung ano dyan eh.
Plus C.
NT plus. Tapos, S is minus 3t squared. Cube plus 13 t squared minus t cube plus a constant. Tapos, t cube 10t plus 13t squared t cube, and therefore 13 over 3 is ano ba yan? 4 point something, no? Tapos, so when t is equal to 2, 20 plus 13 times 4 minus 8, 64. E equals to 64 squared. Okay, work checks out.
Nag-loading pa po tong ano.
Sige.
Okay na. A particle travels in straight line.
Okay, tingnan natin yung number 4. Pick up. So, number 4.
Bago na pong folder.
Ano yan?
Bago na pong folder. Yung gamit niyo po.
Hindi, same, manipis lang yung chapter 16 eh.
Tama.
So, may isang folder lang ako for 16. So, V equals 8 plus 1 half t squared. And therefore, is equal to find the velocity of the particle is A is equal to 1 meter per second squared. And the acceleration is bakit ka nag-integrate to get the acceleration?
Wait, why did I integrate? Okay, that's a rather foolish decision. Anyway, nandito na po tayo. Gagawin ko na lang S to. Shocking. No way.
Cube over 6. Tapos yung distance teka, para distance ang hinahanap, di ba? Hindi displacement. So, ano yung kailangan natin i-check?
When the velocity is 0. Mhm.
So, yung conclusion dyan, yung form ng V, it's a sum of positive terms, therefore V is positive definite. Tingnan mo yung itsura ng V. So, from the form, V is positive for all T. So, walang reversals.
Nice. Okay then.
It's December 15, no? Okay. And let's see. And this is 16B5 plus V 4T minus T squared. Find the distance before it comes to rest. Hmm.
When?
Okay. So this is T is between 0 and 4. V is less than 0. So negative 0 to 4. T cubed over 3 is 2T squared.
What? Hmm. Okay, when
Ganito, igawa kang table of signs for velocity.
table of scenes.
So, alam mo yun, nagsizero yung velocity at t equals 0 at saka t equals 4.
Venus.
T squared 2t squared. So, so ang tinatanong ay hindi, ano yung tinatanong? The time taken before the body returns to O. May expression tayo for S, di ba?
When S equals 0 nga ba?
Mm.
Bro.
So, factor out mo yung t squared. Okay. Kaya hindi pwedeng 0 kasi dyan nag-start yung motion ng object.
Before the body returns to O. From where?
Nagsimula siya sa O.
Ah,
Body leaves O equals 0.
so therefore, that time is equal to 6 seconds.
Oo. Tapos, tingnan mo, reasonable siya kasi based on your table of signs, moving forward siya from 0 to 4, di ba? So, ibig sabihin at 4, wala siya sa origin. Kailangan niya mag-reverse. So, it's going to happen later. Kaya dapat greater than 4. Okay na?
Opo.
Sige. Yung next, let's do that. Ano yun eh, yung table of signs kahit na hindi siya exact, it's not being asked for, useful yun kasi may idea ka ano yung nagiging motion eh. B6. So 2t square 1 minus 10k t plus 18k minus 1. So, okay. A is equal to 4t plus 1 minus 10k. Acceleration of the particle at t equals 5 is 1 meter per second. So k is equal to 2. Find the range of values of t for which the particle is moving in the positive direction. So yun, no? 18 times 2 minus 1 plus 35. Tapos negative 19. T minus 2t minus 5. Kailangan mong gumawa ng table of signs, di ba? So, ano yung next step?
Nagana po yung... Ayun na.
Ginagamit mo ba yung equation solver ng calculator mo?
Necessary.
Ano yan eh, di ba? Pwede mo namang gamitin yun para mahanap yung zeros ng V. Hindi, kailangan gawa kang table of signs.
The
Usually,
table. No! I cannot escape the table of signs.
At saka gagamitin mo rin yan kung ano eh. Usually ginagamit yan sa ano eh. So, factor mo yung yung V.
Oh no. What is V?
Factorable yan. So, gamitin mo yung equation solver to find yung zeros and then use the zeros to factor.
No way. That's literally cheating.
Hindi. I mean, that's part of the... At saka, remember, variables are yung variables natin the x, it's t. So that should be t minus 7.
Last.
And 2t minus 5. Di ba yung kaya ko siya pinapagawa ng ganyan kasi di ba from chapter 1, kasama yan sa techniques na ina-assume na tinuturo, di ba? So, Okay, ano naman, tapos yung table of signs, pag less than 0, ano yung V? Positive or negative?
0 po?
Pag less than, yung ano, pag less than 5 halves,
Ano?
positive or negative? Okay, yan.
Okay. Therefore,
Tapos,
uh,
therefore, tapos ang pinapahanap,
E. Wait, 0.
find the range of values of T for each particle is moving in the positive direction. Particle is moving in the positive direction.
Okay, nice.
Teka, yung T less than, yung T between 0 and 2.5, negative yung velocity dyan, di ba?
Mabo. Okay, so dapat...
Okay, yeah, tama. Hindi, tama. Sige,
Ay,
so
tama.
0 to 2.5. When
Pabalik.
T is greater than or equal to 0 to 2.5 and T is greater than 7. T is greater than 7. Okay. Comes to an instantaneous rest.
Haha, so funny because it was already solved. Haha, nice. The advantages of being of solving earlier. Final expression displacement.
T equals 7. T equals 2.5 seconds. Find expression for the displacement of the particle. So S equals minus 19T plus 35. To 19T squared.
Blah 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 equals blah 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 something.
Since S equals 0 when T equals 0.
Therefore, T equals 0. Okay, blah 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 equals.
Okay. Plus 35. Teka, may kulang. Sa expression mo for S.
Okay. Ano yung kulang?
Check mo yung integration.
They're the funny. So apparently the T notation is hurting me because of the plus and T.
Kaya script T yung ginagamit ko pag ganyan eh. Para hindi namimix
Ba yung
with...
parang parang may ganun para may ganun po. And what do you call it? Something sa dulo.
Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag yan. Basta may tail.
Abo.
Okay. So, pakituloy na lang nung... Pakituloy na lang... So, sorry. Wala tayo this coming Sunday, di ba? Kasi may gagawin kayo. So, tutuloy natin to sa Thursday next week.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ano yan eh? So, after we do this, tapos gawin natin yung review exercises. Ang next na book na gagamitin natin yung tawag dito. Yung Resnick. Meron na kayo ng copy ng Resnick, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Yung Resnick Holiday and Walker. Tapos, yung mangyayari niyan, magsa-stop muna tayo sa math kasi ang gagawin natin, we'll be doing physics. Medyo mabigat din yung load nung Resnick Holiday and Walker eh. So, yung 2 hours a week natin, ubos yun just on physics. Kaya mangyayari, yung succeeding math, babalikan natin after nung mechanics. Or kung may kailangan tayo ng math, kukuha din tayo mula sa TC7. So yun yung textbooks natin, TC7 and RESNIC. But it's mostly going to be RESNIC, except for special topics na immediately necessary. Yung electromagnetism, ang gagawin naman natin, kailangan mong gawin yung yung the last third ng TC7 for EM para mas maayos na So after we do mechanics, we'll do math again, and then we're going to after that EM. Okay?
Tama.
So gusto niyo, sir,
So we'll stop here.
Kung meron kayong extra for this coming year, sir, gusto niyo pong 3 meetings, sir? Tiga 1 hour or something?
Okay, kung 3 meetings,
or
baka
dalawang
gawin natin, hindi,
Kayo-
kung mag-3 meetings, ang pwede natin gawin, 2 meetings for physics, tapos gawin natin yung math for 1 meeting, or 3 meetings na physics.
Okay, sir.
Kasi ano yun yung math na gagawin na yung math after this, essential siya for
Mga
electromagnetism.
integrals.
Yung mga line integrals,
Mga
yung mga
ganun po.
vectors. So gusto kong gawin sana yan. Plus yung series. Kasi hindi pa natin ginagawa yung infinite series Yung sequences and series, Taylor expansions, ganyan. So that deserves a separate session.
Okay po.
Okay? Anyway, kung pwede ako mag 3 meetings a week. So, pero inform mo na kung kailan nyo sisimulan.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Kasi maghahap ako sa schedule ko Anyway, since it's 6:09, I'll have to go. So I'll see you again Thursday next week. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.
Bye-bye po. Thank you po.
I-record mo yan.
Record.